Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. Um, we come on every Thursday to share what we've altered, what kind of card we've altered, because Penny has opened it up to any thing that has a card in it, whether it's a greeting card, an index card, a Memdex card, a playing card, a time card, anything with a card in it, recipe card. Oh my gosh. I mean, she's opened it up to anything that you would like to alter. So um, today I altered a playing card, obviously. I used what do you call these? Napkins. I used a napkin from the Dollar Tree, and I think I've used this once before. It was on my desk, and I was like, okay, haven't Mod Podged in a while. So I did that. I Mod Podged it on to the playing card, and you can see the flowers in the background. And then I stamped over it. Well, I Mod Podged it and I stamped over it with some permanent ink. The this script stamp that I have, and I stamped over it. Then I laid down some book papers that I have. Added, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Oh, there it is. So right here is some pink pom-pom trim. Oof. See if it can focus better. It's not focusing on the pom-pom trim. There, it sort of focuses. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Here we go. Sort of. So here's some pom-pom trim. This is a gold rickrack that I used on another project. This was a die cut that I received in some Happy Mail. I don't know when, but I have these containers full of ephemera pieces that I've received from people, and I pulled it out and I used it. And I used a Dollar Tree sticker I have in my stash. This is what do you call it? A felt heart that I had in my stash too, and I think it came from Dollar Tree. And this is also for Hearts All Year, hosted by Susan at Susan Heartstrings and Terry at Tone's Place. I thought I'd enter that. I have a heart here, and then I have a heart here. Yeah. So this is for Deck the Year and for Hearts All Year. I haven't participated in I participated in Hearts All Year a couple times, but I haven't done it consistently every month. So I thought I'd enter that in here. Isn't that cute? I'm loving the background. Oh, and I also ink the edges with, all my distress inks. I also use the sander after I Mod Podged the napkin. I don't know if I have it still here. It's like a sanding, here it is, from Tim Holtz. Love this thing because it's just easier than a block. And I have this too. I have this block as well. Like if I'm sanding the playing card, because it is pretty glossy, I'll use a sanding block. You can get that at Dollar Tree. or, Home Depot. Um, yeah. So that is my card for this week. Go check out those 2 hashtags and the ladies that are hosting, and give them some love. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.